Hello and welcome to another project update. Alright, so today I got back to work on the actual dungeon functionality and and some of the collision related stuff. So I made it so that I've actually done this multiple times, but I keep having to redo it because I keep changing the mesh and have to keep redoing the collision. But hold on, yeah, sometimes it does that. I don't know. Sometimes when I resize the window while the game's starting up, it like crashes. But yeah, you can see camera collides with the wall as it should. You can climb up things that you should be able to climb up. Same thing is true with this room. I'm kind of going through the rooms one at a time. So it's not all done yet, but I've done that room back there. This room here, so I got like the climbing set up here. There's a little door over here, which leads into the room. There's nothing in here just yet, but my plan is to put a treasure chest in here containing a key, which will be for the second floor. And my plan is also to make so that this door is locked by default, and you open it by by solving a puzzle on the second floor. And yeah, this locked door works. And I've been procrastinating getting the text set up properly. And this is the room that has the bug enemy system that I was working on for the past like week or so. And it works as just like before. And of course, collision in this room works properly. Open this chest, you get a key. And then you can use that key to open this door. This room, I still have to work on and figure out what exactly I'm going to do here. So I'm thinking of having some sort of variant of the plant enemy hanging from these vines up here. And then you have to like destroy it to get past. But I haven't actually done anything in this room very recently. I did work on this room like a long time ago, but it's like since been neglected, and I plan on getting to work on it next. Anyways, that's pretty much. Oh yeah, actually, I think I technically showed you this, but I did make a new texture. That is this one right over here. So this texture is well, it's like a wood texture with the contrast cranked way up and a little strip of metal on the bottom and with some shading applied, which I baked into the texture. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I did. So I understand it's probably a little bit underwhelming, but you got to understand this is kind of like back end functionality. Well, not really back end, but like collision related stuff. It's a bit more work than it might sound because I have to I had to split certain meshes into parts. Like for example, I had to separate the floor from the walls because if I had just set the whole thing as like so only certain meshes are marked as climbable. And if I mark everything climbable, then the character is going to start trying to climb things that aren't supposed to be climbable. So I have to make it so that only like this ledge here, um, this here is climbable, and this here is climbable. Basically anything of that nature that I want the player to be able to climb, I can mark that as climbable. I do not want the player climbing this because then the player can use that to get out of bounds. But yeah, you have to, since it's based on like individual meshes, I have to split the mesh into multiple parts, and that took a little bit of work. yeah, that's pretty much all I've done today. Um, let's see, what should I work on tomorrow? Yeah, I think tomorrow I'll get to work on this room here. See what I can do. Maybe make a. I won't be able to do it all in one day, but at least I'll at the very least get started on it. Um, Figure out what kind of enemy to make for this, and then we'll go on from there. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.